Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make your kick sound fat, huge, distorted, bigger with this audio effect track just right here. So basically it contains mainly distortion, compression and multiband compression. These are the three key devices to make your kick bigger. So let's have a look quickly inside just to show you how it is. So basically you have an audio effect track in another audio effect track because this audio effect track is basically research. I was just trying things, experimentation. So I was doing an audio effect track with one dry signal where you have nothing and one wet, where I put some overdrive, saturation, I have utilities, just gain reduction, compression, and there you have multiband compression just over there, and the limiter on the end to avoid to go mad. So yes, and so you have this macro, crunch, fat, punch, loud, who control these four devices. As I told you, was experimentation. So honestly, it's distortion, compression. I cannot really explain you what every macro is really doing. Just try, listen. Some it's more like distortion, so it's more like to get loud, to get some compression, to get some punch. Just try. So then when I've done this audio effect tracks, I wanted to add some distortion and compression on the top of the dry and the wet together to add some compression on both of them. So this is why I put this rack in the rack, and then I add distortion. So this sub, if you used or if you've seen my previous video about the rack bomb bass to make your bass sound huge, you are familiar with this one. I use it exactly the same preset, and I use it again because it's really work well. Same as this multiband dynamics is the sub. Is the fat one. I use it in the bomb bass as well. It's really work well. And then after you got an extra distortion that you can activate when you turn on the crunch knob, and it's just to add some harmonics. Then you have a compression, which is this knob. Shame is like I call it shame because it's like it's already, it's gonna be already too light, but this compression is just to make it even more louder. So it's like it's kind of killing all the dynamic and just shame, but it works. And then on the end, high pass filter, really useful. It's sometimes it's not always working, but sometimes it really adds an extra punch to your kick when you put the cutoff at the frequency that it's your fundamental. And then you have a limiter as well as same to avoid things to went crazy. So yeah, let's see how does it work. So you have this basic 909 kick, so it's the one from Ableton, so you can find exactly the 909 kick. It's not the best 909 kick, of course, but I want you to take this one because like this, if when you're gonna put your kick, it's gonna be even better. So yeah, so this first four, you're not gonna really hear at the beginning what they are doing because it's really subtle. This one, yeah, you can see that you lose a lot of high frequency. I'm gonna touch it later. This one, you can see you get low end, longer low end, sub, shame. I told you it's like over compression. And this one, you have to find the right frequency. See, this one is adding a bit of high. This one as well. Okay, and then you got something. So let's see without. So this is what you kick without and with. So pretty big difference. I've made other presets for the 909 kick. crazy. Okay. So you can really get different kind of kick. These presets are not like too extreme, you know, because you can go very extreme and completely change the tone of your kick. This sometimes happens, you know, when you start to put effects on your kick. On the end, you end up with a kick which is sounding completely different. But with this track, if you are subtle, you get a kick very similar. So yeah, so let's have a look with 808 kick as well. How does it sound? So, but same is the basic Ableton 808 kick, which is no bad, but no wow. And you just subtle, you know, just to add a little bit. And if you want to start a bit something more a bit punchy, then yes, this one, yes, this is with another good 99 kick that I record myself and process. So sorry, so this is the 99 kick normal, and when you add, yeah, it's day and night for me. And then yeah, I wanted to show you on other kind of kick. This is a kick that I've done, it's from my own collection. So this is how it sounds, and then it's really good. So yeah, I think I show you everything. I'm gonna put you all the projects that I've done already as well, with the main one, with the plain one. I hope, guys, you like. Do not hesitate to comment, say if you like, you didn't like, if you have any ideas for a new tutorial. Do not hesitate to subscribe, tell to your friend that it's good presets, share, comment, post on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in 2 weeks. Thank you.